My diamonds is changing the forecast. I just woke up in Dior tags. Walk in the store in Dior splash. We getting chicken like DoorDash. Remember I couldn't afford that.
No cat. No bat. Welcome back, YouTube. Y'all niggas know the vibes. Listen, welcome back to another extremely lit vlog, y'all. Y'all know the vibe. Today we are gonna be helping bro out with his LTZ400. I'm guessing he doesn't have any power to the bike, but it's still pop starts, you feel me? He just put a new battery in it. You put a new battery in, right? I guess I'm thinking it's the fuse. Did you check the fuse?
Yeah, that's all brand new. Yeah, check all that thing, bro. You gotta smile, get it.
Oh my god! It might be your battery, bro.
Well, I can turn it on when I touch these two together.
Wait, you can do what?
When I touch these two together, it comes on.
Like electric start?
Yeah.
It might be that then.
Nigga, it's brand new. I ordered two of the same ones.
You said that right there. Nothing, eh? But now do it. Do what you said you do. You said you put them together and it comes on?
Yeah.
Do it. You're gonna get power through there because it just did the thing.
Oh.
I don't think so. There you go. Huh. It really ain't getting nothing. Yeah, it might be this.
The other one total. Yeah, because your light's not coming on. Because you can start them four-wheelers without the key in it, nigga. You take the wire.
Yeah, it might be your ignition. Something with this. Look how it is, bro. Like, why does it turn like that, bro?
That's ignition if it's turning like that.
That's turning mad nasty, bro. Unscrew that. Clean that joint out. I know that's what it is, bro. He get no connection. Ain't even turn it on. Bro, look. Lift it back up. Look. Look how dirty this is. I'm telling you, that's what it is. Is that if your fuse is good, battery is good, probably. But still, look at his handlebar. All this dirt and dust up here, bro. Nah, no capped out. I know for sure that's what it is, bro. If everything else is good. Yep. Take those off. Make sure it's clean up in there. It should be good. What does it look like in the inside? Let me see. He just took this off. Let's see. You see what I mean? Like, bro. Put the key in there and turn. See, I want to see what it does. Like, where's your keys? Oh, right here. What the heck? You moving weird today. That's probably what's stopping it, though. That grease right there, because that's what next to this. Look at all this grease on here. I'm gonna show y'all. This joint had mad grease on it. This joint, I just wiped off mad grease off of this. Y'all can still see there's still some on there. Hold on, let me make that autofocus really complete. You see that? Gotta clean that off. There's some on this part too. Look. Grease. Gotta wipe that off. Nah, it should come on though. Got current coming through that and that. Should be Gucci now. Sure you got it on the right way.
telling you, it's probably on ground wire.
Which one is? Where's that at? Nah, that's not your ground wire because it won't start. You pull that ground wire off, the whole bike cuts off. That's like hitting the kill switch.
Oh. Yeah, you can test me that screwdriver?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you do, good buddy. I don't know what it is, man.
Alright, y'all, so we cleaned the ignition thing off and still we ain't getting nothing. It's gotta be the battery. Because the fuse is good and everything. Pull the battery out. Alright. Got this battery out. And we about to put it in this one to see if we get anything.
I know what I'm doing. Wow. That shit didn't come on.
You didn't?
No, it's something to do with back here. See? My battery and everything was charged.
Yeah, you gotta clean something off, bro, cause bro, look how it is, bro.
Dirty?
Heck yeah. Listen, y'all know the vibes though. We extremely lit, no cap. If y'all enjoyed this video, smash the like button. Subscribe if you're new. And I'll see y'all niggas in the next vlog, y'all. Peace.